Hi, Quinn.
Hi.
The other day, we sat together and you did the letter name and sound assessment with me. Remember that?
Yeah.
And you did a great job. You knew all of your letters and sounds. That was really good. But I did notice that in a couple of your letters, you were adding the sound to the end of them. And we want to clip those sounds right off. Okay, so we're going to practice using my turn, your turn. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. D.
D.
Y.
Yeah.
My turn. Y.
Yeah.
Good. G.
G.
W.
W. V.
My turn. Great job. T.
T.
O.
O.
K. K. Close. Let's try that again. K.
K.
Great. J.
J.
My turn. J.
J.
K.
K.
Mm. B.
B.
P.
P.
My turn. P. Great job.